Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the files and tools. Make sure your Xbox account is linked to Roblox. Once ready, open Roblox Studio on PC and create a new accessory object. This is the container that Xbox will accept as one item. Import the two-face assets into that accessory as separate mesh parts, then align them so they sit correctly on the head. Do this now. You need a single uploaded accessory, because Xbox only allows one face type accessory slot at runtime. Now you perform the detailed merge. Parent both face meshes to the same accessory and use a single head attachment so the engine treats them as one item. You will adjust position, rotation, and scale so the two faces overlap without clipping. Use slight offsets to preserve visibility. Once done, test on the Studio Avatar preview at different camera angles to confirm fit. Make sure collision and transparency are correct. Because Xbox enforces the single accessory rule, this step ensures both faces look natural when equipped. Finally, publish the combined accessory as a single catalog item from Studio and wait for processing. You need a validated accessory for Xbox. Once processed, open Roblox on Xbox, go to your avatar editor and equip that accessory. It will show both faces because they are one item. If something goes wrong, reopen Studio, verify the head attachment, re-export meshes with consistent scale, or clear your Xbox Roblox cache and sign back in. This one troubleshooting tip usually fixes invisible or misaligned results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.